Today, as we embark on the 25th anniversary year of KCF Technologies, we celebrate an achievement in industrial innovation that KCF contributed to and created. As the original pioneers in remote wireless health monitoring for machinery, we are grateful to our partners who have joined us in leading the way. With hundreds of thousands of machines under our watch and nearly 100,000 hours of unplanned downtime prevented, we are ushering in a new era of reliability, sustainability, and safety. The future is here. In 2000, KCF Technologies was founded to transform technology into real-world solutions that elevate people and transform industries. By 2006, we achieved the first wireless machine health monitoring installation on a commercial compressor. From 2008 to 2014, KCF expanded across industries, wastewater facilities, pulp and paper mills, chemical plants, lumber mills, Navy helicopters, and submarines. And by 2014, we cracked the code for the machine health platform, combining wireless sensors, analytics, cloud data, and expert guidance to eliminate the root causes of machine failure. With 25 years of expertise and a commitment to innovation, we continue to deliver best-in-class predictive maintenance solutions. As we approach 1,000 manufacturing locations trusting KCF as your machine health partner, we want to thank you for joining us on the journey to predictive maintenance.